Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a mandala with Doraemon sleeping at the bottom. For this we will require a protractor, a compass and a pencil. Let's get started with it. First, using your ruler, make a 14 centimeter line. Next, mark at 7 cm, 5 cm, 5.2 cm, 3.5 cm, 2 cm, and 0 cm. Now make a circle passing through these points here. Now using the scale, join each point with the center of the circle. Make another line close to the bigger circle that we have made over here. Let's sketch up the Doraemon. Over here I'm making this kind of line for its body. Now make this semicircle for its head, another one for the back, draw this line of the mouth over here like this. Next, draw its detail for the face, draw its eyes, his nose. Add the Z symbol over here for sleeping. Next, add details for the Doraemon, his whiskers and everything. Now let's start making the design. Over here, make this kind of shape using 4 blocks. Add another line next to it. Make this kind of design inside it and repeat the step for the other blocks as well. For the next one, make a line like this in between the two designs that we made earlier and fill up this area like this, and repeat the steps for other designs as well similarly, and fill up this radius here. Over here, make lines like this, another line next to it, making it broader, and add the design inside it. Straight lines over here to fill up this space. We can do this directly with the gel pen. So we are done with the sketch. Now take a gel pen and outline everything that is there on the paper. make the tail of the Doraemon as well. And that's it. We are done with our outlining part. Now we'll fill up the spaces in between the design. For example, here this way. Let's get to the painting part. Take blue color and color this part of Doraemon. I'm using cobalt blue color here to color its body. Next, I'm using this bright red color for the nose and its tail as well. This is vermilion red. Next, mix crimson, cobalt blue and a bit of black and paint its shadow over here, this way. In cobalt blue, color the Z's as well. And that's it. We are done with our picture.